There is a moment in everyone's life when they realize that they are aging. Not because of the wrinkle, not because of the birthday, but because of the feeling that life is moving faster than they are. But what if slowing down aging was as simple as not eating for a while? Intermittent fasting has exploded in popularity. People say it's for weight loss, for discipline, for detox, for fitting into jeans from 2019. But that's not the real story. Not even close. The real power of fasting isn't about your waistline. It's about your lifespan. Something incredible happens when you stop eating. Not after one day, not after suffering, just few hours. The body switches modes from survival through fuel to survival through repair. It's called autophagy. Your body's natural recycling system. A reset button built into every one of your cells. A biological ancient wisdom that activates when food stops coming in. This process is one of the core reasons intermittent fasting slows aging. This isn't about living forever. It's about living long enough to see your daughter graduate, to hike the mountain you always promised to yourself, to stay strong in the moments that matter. Fasting gives your body the space to heal, so you can have more years to live. Did you know that the longest living animal on Earth, turtle, is actually 193 years old and eats only once a day, but when food is lacking, it can fast even for several weeks? When you fast, your body triggers the same mechanism as seen in the longest lived animals and humans. Lower inflammation, the silent fire behind disease. Better insulin sensitivity. Your cells stay young and responsive. Mitochondrial rejuvenation. Your energy engines get repaired. Growth hormone rises, supporting metabolism, muscle, and recovery. Lower oxidative stress. Fewer cellular sparks burning out your youth. These aren't small effects. These are the hallmarks of aging, shifting. Our ancestors didn't eat 3 meals a day. They survived through cycles of feast and famine. Our biology was shaped in hunger, not in a constant abundance. When we fast, we're not doing something extreme. We're coming home to what the human body was designed for. Scientists call it metabolic switch. It's the moment your body moves from burning glucose to burning stored fat and rebuilding itself. At that point, longevity pathways turn on, energy sensor AMPK rises, inflammation drops, and your biological age stops rising so fast. Angus Barbieri underwent the longest medically supervised fast in human history. He did not eat for 193 days under medical supervision and lost 120 kilograms. Do not try this at home. Intermittent fasting does something deeper than biology. It reconnects you to control, to discipline, to the quiet moment when you realize that you don't need constant stimulation. You realize that you are stronger than hunger, stronger than craving, stronger than you think. You don't need a perfect plan, or a guru, or a 24 hours fasting which makes you hate life. Start simple. 12 hours eating, 12-hour fasting. The easiest reset. Then 14-10, then maybe 16-8 if it feels right. You don't win by pushing harder. You win by staying consistent. The real reason intermittent fasting works isn't just biology, it's identity. Because every time you choose to fast, you tell to your body, I choose health, I choose strength, I choose a longer life. You choose the future version of yourself, the one who's vibrant, alive, and full of possibility. This is the secret. Fasting doesn't just change your cells, it changes you. Perhaps some of you are wondering what I do to live longer. I never eat after 3 p.m. so I can sleep better. I don't eat sugar, I avoid salt. I only eat 2 meals a day. I'm currently losing weight. Wish me luck. If you found this meaningful, subscribe for more longevity content. And start your journey today. Live long.